Decorate your tabletop without going broke. A charger plate is a large decorative base to set your plate on for a beautiful place setting. And chargers are merely decorative and they're not meant to come in direct contact with food. I found an old charger that I purchased for 50 cents because it was a little torn and battered. So I sprayed the charger gloss almond to cover the plaid. I wanted to do something different, so I tried Pour, that's P-O-U-R, painting in fall colors to cover the charger. The colors used are jack-o'-lantern orange, black, burnt orange, and antique white acrylic paint. To prepare the paint, I obtained some little plastic containers. I added the pouring medium into each cup and stirred to mix. Now, next time, especially for the black, I would add a little water to the black because it ended up being thick and kind of dominant. Now, this can be done a little different. You can pour them all in one cup, but I wanted to add the medium to each cup and not all together. I wanted them separate, one color on top of the other. After pouring the colors one on top of each other, then you pour them on the charger and you move the charger to the left, to the right, move it all of the angles all around until the paint is distributed on the entire charger. Once you have it the way you would like it to look, then you can let it dry overnight. So in the morning when I checked the charger, it was a little sticky. So I had some matte clear spray paint. I sprayed it, and within a few hours the entire charger was dry. Next, I received a Better Homes and Gardens, and they had a really cute little stem of paper acorns and a little small cutting of a branch and a faux leaf on it. And I thought that would look really nice on top of my charger that I had made because they had something very similar to that. So they had a template. I printed that off and I cut out the template of a cap of the acorn and the bottom of the acorn. So you have to do 8 caps and 8 bottoms. And I glued the top of the acorn to the bottom first on all 8 of them. And then I started gluing them together just 2 at a time so that you had kind of a fluted edge around the acorn. Once they were all completed, I hot glued the acorns to the small tree cutting with hot glue. And then I tied some jute around the cutting. And I hot glued the faux leaf on there, and boy, does it look fabulous. Now it's time to style it. Isn't it beautiful and so fall-like? If you have liked what you've seen, please help me out by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Like, save, subscribe, and comment if you so choose. I would love to read what you have to say about this project. And remember to smile at someone because they may be having an awful day and you can put a ray of sunshine in their life. See you later. Bye-bye.